In today's crowded business landscape, how can your startup truly stand out? The answer lies in leveraging intellectual property. Most markets are saturated, making it incredibly difficult for new businesses to cut through the noise and capture attention. You're not just competing against a few rivals, you're fighting for space in an already crowded global arena. Differentiation is essential. Intellectual property, or IP, is your most potent tool for creating a sustainable competitive edge and separating yourself from the competition. IP is essentially a set of legal rights that allow you to exclude others from using your creations, establishing clear market boundaries for your business. There are three primary forms of IP that every founder should master: patents, trademarks, and copyrights. Each serves a unique purpose in market distinction. Patents protect your novel solutions or inventions, giving you a monopoly for a set period. This is critical for tech and engineering startups. Trademarks protect your brand name, logos, and slogans. They build immediate recognition and foster customer loyalty in a crowded space. Copyrights secure your original creative content, such as software code, website copy, and marketing materials, preventing direct replication. Let's look at how successful founders have actually used these IP strategies to dominate their markets. Founders who invest in IP, from utility patents for their core technology to strong brand trademarks, gain invaluable protection and market leverage. Now, what specific actions should you take right now to implement an effective IP strategy? Start by auditing your business. Identify every piece of intellectual property you have, from your proprietary algorithms to your distinctive visual design. Registration is crucial. It converts your creative work into an enforceable asset, allowing you to quickly stop competitors who try to copy you. Intellectual property is the foundation of a defensible, high-value business. It moves you past mere market saturation and into market leadership. Invest in your IP now and watch your business not only stand out, but thrive in any market.